Welcome back to another show from Dine's Kitchen Cooking Channel. I will be preparing for you today a plantain oats smoothie, the best thing in the morning. This will keep you full for actually half of the day. This will surely help you to lose weight. These are the ingredients. I'll be using 2 cups of oats, half plantain, nutmeg, some vanilla, a glass of milk, and some molasses. I will show you how to prepare this nutritious smoothie. Now, first of all, you wash your plantain. You need to wash your plantain. Then, you cut your plantain in half. Then peel your plantain. Remove it from the skin. Then in a blender, you put the plantain. Then your milk. And your oats. A little vanilla, a tip of molasses, which is good for your nerves. Plantain is very filling. It keeps you for the whole day when you have some plantains. A little nutmeg. And I'll be using some cinnamon water. What I did, I boiled the cinnamon leaf in some water, strain it, and use the water add more oats. And now you're gonna blend your smoothie. So now your pour your smoothie in your glass. And you can pour it also in a container that and take it to work with you. Thick and creamy, filling. Start your day healthy. Drink a glass of smoothie. Take care of your body and it will take care of you. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the videos. Thanks for your support and one love. See you next time.